Hey, NATO family, this is Principal Stafford coming in with a how-to video on how to fill out this parent log, which is really a log of your students' activity through the week. So this will be mailed to all the students, their Seville Schools account every Friday from me. When you go through and submit this thing, you must be using a Seville Schools address before it will be accepted. So onto this thing, if we look, you will see a list of weeks. So I'm just going to pick week 2. Obviously, you type in the student's name. You will also pick the grade level. I'm going to say junior. We'll scroll down, pick our scope teacher, and we'll say Justin Cart right here. So if you are an on-site learner and just filling out for Wednesday, you click on-site. And when you click next, you will notice that it says Wednesday up here. And that's the only one you need to fill out. Down at the bottom, you'll say, yes, I attend class and just wrote remote on Wednesdays. So if we go back and we change that from on-site to remote, and we hit next, you will notice that'll come up and it'll say Monday. So right here is when we start typing in what class we're working on. Let's say science. Maybe it's a model of the atom. I type that in there. And the number of minutes, let's say 65 minutes. Now, the total minutes through the day needs to add up to 390 minutes, which is 6.5 hours. So make sure your total adds up to that. Once you fill all those out, you don't have to fill out every class, but just the ones you did work in, and make sure you have those 390 minutes. When you click next, you will see that it now says Tuesday. So once again, you'll fill out every class that you did, and you'll hit next, and that will bring you to Wednesday. Now, as you fill this out, then at the bottom, it's going to ask you that again. Yes, I attend classes through Wednesday, and if you are, you click that, it'll take you to the sign-off page. If I'm a remote student, I click, no, I'm remote all 5 days, hit next. Now I'll have Thursday. You fill out all your Thursday stuff, click next, and you'll see it'll say Friday. Now, if you do some work on the weekends, you can just add that in to one of the days of the week. When you're all finished, you click next, and that will take you to the signature page, which you just type in your name as a student saying, yes, this is all true, and the parent will type their name in. This will be your e-signature, and then you hit submit. In terms of Seville Schools, it will come to us. So if you're an actual on-site student and maybe you got quarantined, you can just say that you're a remote student and get the same education that you were here. You're doing the same assignment. So it's easy as that. If you got any questions, you always call us at the school. Everybody have a great